Hello, Brother Thane. Here's my website for the week. Got it. So I think we made changes to this. It's been a while since I worked on this portion of it, but we can. I feel like that wasn't part of it actually. If it was, add documents works, just in case. Just in case that was a thing. Anyway, messages. Part of it? I don't think so. I think it's just contacts. So for contacts, hopefully, we got this. We can edit. We can drag things into it. If you drag it right, if you drag the same one, it doesn't go in. Drag it at one, it adds on. You can have as many as you want, and update it. And then if we go back, edit, we see the same for people. We can remove them. Also hit update and have those same changes saved. We can add a new contact, and the validation has to work. So like, if I put in, I don't know, yeah, it's just if I don't enter anything, then it says it's required and it turns red. So let's do then this, right? I enter an email, but I don't enter one. Same thing, just tells me that it has to be entered. So I'm like, okay, well. And then it says I need to enter a valid email address. So I'm like, oh. There we go. Once we add in the full URL, clears up. Phone number is not, oh, it is required. Sorry, the image isn't required. If we put in the wrong format, it's like, no, enter a valid phone number, so it works. Hold on. Then phone number. Oh, because it doesn't want the dashes, I guess. No? Oh, I guess it's because it's not a valid URL or like area code. Anyway, probably programmed to look at that. I didn't actually know what the string was doing that we put in. And then for image URL, if we just put in something like, it doesn't really matter what it says, it'll still work. We can add contacts as well here. And then hit add. And then if you scroll down to the bottom, then you see my contact. And it has those people, everything looks the same. Same thing for here. If we were to change that, it would be like, no, it needs to be valid, you know. So it looks like everything works. Thank you so much, Brother Thane. Have a great day.